target, which we believe is what we offer most value, is holistic offering, focusing that around facade design. That I want to take you through the journey and experience to date on a local project I've had the pleasure of working on. It's Elephant and Castle Town Centre. It's one of the largest regeneration projects in London. We had to look at the facade design in a high level of detail, considering the focus of cost. The development consists of a wide spread of buildings. So you've got commercial, you've got residential towers, you've got retail frontages. It covers everything. It's a big project. And we work with facade manufacturers who are the experts, who have the supply chain, who have the EPDs to fully understand how we can achieve the next generation of innovative facades.
Orange County Museum of Art is a museum that is designed by Morphosis Architects. We follow for Rochman Group, facade contractor, the construction phase. The iconic facade, let's say, is a stick system facade with a 30-meter height, is a particular shape. And on top of it, there is a skylight that is supported from the secondary frame of the roof. Tipografia Zardini new headquarters, is in Verona, and we developed the design with Acme Architect in collaboration with Sunglass. You see some detailing, so there is the bottom pivot supporting the safe weight and horizontal restraint from the wind action. In the end, we perform, let's say, a structural analysis just to check the differential movement between the mullion supporting the glass, to check if this would increase the stress on the glass.
The focus of a BIM project should always be the full life cycle of a building. The full life cycle can only be embraced if we take in account all stakeholders in the project from the beginning: investors, architects, designers, afterwards the construction companies, then the facility management, operations, and also very important, retrofit. This relationship and thinking about other players and other service providers in the life cycle of a building and a facade is the key of creating an intelligent and structured information setup. We have to define the LOIN, the level of information need. There is for sure a correct amount of attributes depending on the facade complexity. There is no rule of thumb. There is only experience that can define what is too much or what is less.
It has been already mentioned the importance of the mock-ups. I had the importance of the modeling of all the main performances, and as I already said, the relation between the different performances.
You know, wind speed and wind pressure are not the same thing, and we design to wind pressure, generally speaking. You know, people want to know a lot of times like what hurricane category their product is rated to, or what hurricane category is it rated to, a category 3 or category 4 or category 5 building or hurricane, and it's just not rated like that at all. You can have obviously a very small building next to a very tall building, and they're going to have wildly different pressure requirements, even though the wind speed is the same for both. When an impact rated product is rated, it is tested as a complete system, and there are a variety of different impact glasses that you can use, or glass makeups that you can use depending on the application. You know, you may use a PVB type of inner layer for a smaller size or a smaller pressure. And then it will just show a few other things like the list of extrusions, bill of materials, and so forth. So, you know, in conclusion, the main steps to follow here is determining your wind speed, determining your wind pressure, then determining your wind zone, and then going through some kind of testing or product approval to verify that everything that you need based on the sizes and the configurations and the wind zone and the missile tests are what has been certified, or those are the things to certify on your project.